He pōwhiritia te whānau o te Whare Taonga, ko tapunga nepe, te kai whakahaere Māori. E mihi ana tapunga, te mokopuna o Auntie Hain. He kai whakahaere ki te taonga Māori o te Tairāwhiti. This was the first iwi exhibition for tapunga's role, which was 1 week. We were warmly welcomed by the Whānau of tapunga and the museum. He pōwhiritia te whānau o Ngāi Tāmanuhiri, me nā hoa hoki. Te tiro atu ki te rōpū o te Whare Taonga nā te whānau hoki.
Wahare āna whakamami te mātou whakakōria hangai tōku ki aia. Te ara pa te ome kua tātou hei tumuna ko I ngā wā katoa. A kia hono nui ngā taonga a tāhua, ana nei ho mai.
Our whanaunga Steve Gibbs, Parai, son of Auntie Ihi Pera Gibbs, and Mel Tahata, the mokopuna of Tāwhai Baker, and our pakeke have been the ones to whiriwhiri te kaupapa o Toi Tāmanuhiri. He whenua, he mōna, he tangata o tātou iwi. Warmly greeted by the korowai of Nani Kui, me nā tūpuna, photos of our tūpuna, who for many years have been at Muriwai, and this is the first time they're in town, showing the relationships we have with our other iwi, rongowhakata, māhaki, ruapani mā. It's very important that we tell the stories of our land to the many people that will be visiting the museum itself. There's a particular section within the museum that pays special acknowledgement and respect to ngā pakanga, particularly from World War II.
It's been a real honour coming to the museum here, working with the team from Ngāi Tāmanuhiri.
At this exhibition, I'd like to say that Toi Tāmanuhiri, Huauri Kuri, mana whenua, mana moana, mana tangata, has been something that's been happening for about 244 years. But this particular project has taken 4 years, and I'd like to acknowledge, as my role as a trustee on behalf of Ngāi Tāmanuhiri with the museum, that David Butts 4 years ago said that Tāmanuhiri should organise an exhibition at the museum, and you're welcome to have one here. And I remember going back and talking to Pakeke, and they all were really enthusiastic and keen. So it's wonderful to be able to sort of put it together, and I hope that, that you enjoy what you see.
The day was lovely, relaxing, calming, and the love energies that were inside that in the museum. You could actually feel it.
For me, it's like I'm from Muriwai, and this exhibition has been awesome. You know, seeing things that people had done from way back in the past, and to be shown, it's awesome, especially for my kids to be a part of it. And I wish they have many more. Here's people that have got treasures in their houses, you know, to bring them out and show them to all the people. Yeah, awesome.